Hey dental fans, I'm Dr. Rich. And I'm Dr. Rich. In this video, I'm going to unbox the Fairywill P80 Electric Toothbrush. It retails for $39.99 and is available on Amazon. I'll leave a link to it down in the description below. So, how'd I do? Not too bad for your first time on camera. So here's the outside of the Fairywill P80 box. There's the back, it's got a pressure sensor. Alrighty, so next step is let's unbox it. Oh, wait a second. Let me try something different. I saw this on a video made by a guy from Belgium. So he's got a new technique for unboxing. Let me give it a try, see how it goes. Let me see if I remember. First he took it, I think he just spun it around. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. He did that. And the next thing he did, I think he just picked it up and down a few times. Tapped it. 1, 2, 3. Hey, it worked. There it is, the Fairywill. Let's open her up. It's quite a fancy box, fancier than the D7 came in. So P80 Sonic Electric Toothbrush. All right, so we got another box with the toothbrush in it. Box with the charging cord. Little spacer box. And then a box with the brush heads. All right, let's get this main box out of the way. All right, so here's the box that the toothbrush comes in. Let's open this up, see what's inside. Let me move the other two little boxes out of the way. All right, so we got the actual toothbrush itself, and it's got a charge on it. Cool. It comes with a nice travel case that it fits into. It'll snap in, but without the toothbrush head on it. A little registration card and the instruction manual. In the box that has the charging cable on the outside, inside that we have a charging cable. Yeah, it's typical. One end plugs into the bottom of the toothbrush. Other has a USB plug, very similar to the one that came with the D7 toothbrush. And then the last box are the toothbrush heads. Let's see how many came with this kit. We got a bunch. 2, 3, 4, 5 brush heads. I think these are all the soft bristle heads. And they even include a toothbrush head cover. Just a clear plastic. I think these just fit on there in one way. There's no twisting that you have to do like the with the D7. All right, so first one's whiten. That's going to be the high power. Clean, a little bit lower power. Sensitive. That one actually feels a little higher power than the clean setting. Polish. Last setting is massage. And I'll go through the instruction manual so I can read what's what on it. All right, so I'm going to charge this up overnight now, and then I will use it for a couple weeks, and then I will make a review video of the P80 toothbrush. While I'm thinking of it, let me see if we can get the pressure sensor to work. Ah, there it goes. Beeps and shines a red light, lets you know that you're pressing too hard. Awesome. All right, thank you guys all so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.